Honey, I've been doing some thinking lately, and I feel like we need to have a serious conversation about our parenting approach.
Oh? What's been on your mind?
Well, I've noticed that sometimes we can be a bit rude and authoritative with the kids. I think it's important that we take a step back and try to understand their problems, treating them with more respect.
I see where you're coming from. It's true that we can get caught up in the heat of the moment and forget to consider their perspective. So, what do you suggest we do differently?
I think we should start by actively listening to them more. Let's create an environment where they feel comfortable expressing their thoughts and emotions without fear of judgment. By doing this, we can better understand their struggles and provide the support they need.
That's a great idea. It's important to let them know that we're here for them and that their feelings are valid. We should also strive to communicate with empathy and kindness, even when we're addressing their mistakes or disciplining them.
Absolutely. Instead of resorting to yelling or harsh words, let's focus on finding constructive solutions together. We can involve them in the decision-making process whenever possible, teaching them important problem-solving skills and fostering their independence.
Yes, involving them will not only make them feel respected but also help them develop a sense of responsibility and ownership. I think it's also crucial to acknowledge and apologize when we make mistakes. Showing them that we're human and willing to learn from our own actions sets a powerful example.
I couldn't agree more. Let's also remember to praise their efforts and celebrate their achievements. A little positive reinforcement can go a long way in building their self-esteem and motivating them to do better.
That's a great point. We need to strike a balance between setting boundaries and allowing them to explore and grow. By providing them with guidance and trust, we can encourage them to become confident and resilient individuals.
Absolutely. And let's not forget the importance of quality time. By dedicating time solely to them, we can strengthen our bond as a family and create memories that will last a lifetime. It's in these moments that we can truly understand their dreams, fears, and aspirations.
You're right. Our children are unique individuals with their own personalities and challenges. It's essential that we approach their upbringing with compassion and respect, molding them into confident, compassionate, and understanding adults.
I couldn't have said it better myself. Let's make a conscious effort to be more aware of our words and actions, always striving to create an atmosphere of love and understanding within our family. Our kids deserve nothing less.
I'm so glad we had this conversation. I feel inspired and motivated to make positive changes in our parenting approach. Together, we can create a nurturing environment where our children can thrive and flourish.
Absolutely, my love. We're in this together, and I have no doubt that we'll raise amazing individuals who will make a positive impact on the world. Let's embark on this journey of growth and understanding hand in hand.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.